What you think, Eric?
I don't know, man. It's looking pretty good.
Looking good?
Yeah. Thanks, son.
Yeah. He's on that,
He's on the what?
what you doing, uploading?
No.
Upload canceled?
Yeah. You see how it does that sometimes?
Yeah, I see how it does. I'm a sexy motherfucker, ain't I? Look at, give me some more camera time.
Where we going?
What do you think, CJ?
Right there,
about the job?
I think it looks great, man. I think it'll be super nice when it's finished.
That's what I'm talking about.
I think it's going on. It's going on
about-
up and up.
How about you, Emerald? Right?
It looks good. Y'all get this stuff done quick.
Hey, we don't play around.
No.
Charles.
Hey, listen at it.
Charles wants to take all the all
I'm
the
taking
credit.
90% of it. What are you talking
Hell
about?
yeah.
Taking 90% of the
Hey,
credit.
you're the man.
Thank you. Nah, you did. You helped. You know, 62 years old out here climbing 30-foot ladders with me every day. What you talking
There you go,
about?
people. Charles is the boss.
Ken's the man.
I'm just a man.
I'm the fancy boss. Yeah. Hey, I ain't gay, but $20 is $20.
All right.
$20 make it holler.
You guys have a good weekend.
Yeah.
Have a good weekend, man.
And we don't just pay each other $20 every day, you know.
That was
so.
20 easy.
No, that's not.